Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have, and right here we have. So make sure that you press on it, or double press or triple press. Now, if you know that you press on it correctly, next step I recommend it to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings if you want to. If you go to the Bluetooth, if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. But it depends on Android phone. Let's say on Realme you have under your earbuds information in use if it connected and no information if it disconnected. If you have iOS near to your earbuds, you will see the information not connected. After that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. On the iPhone you will see connected, on Realme you will see in use, right here it will return to My Devices. Next is to use an application. So maybe your gesture feature set to none. Open HeyMelody app. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see the same menu, and at the middle bottom we have earbuds control. Tap on it. By default, single press set to none, so if you have something else also set to none, you need to check, just select something else. Let's say for the single press we have plain pause, and then check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!